Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a detailed review of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner. This SUV has always been a strong player in its segment, and with the 2025 model, Toyota has made some key upgrades in design, features, and performance. Let's dive into everything this car has to offer. Starting off with the exterior, the new Fortuner now looks bolder and more aggressive than ever. At the front, there's a redesigned grille with a prominent chrome finish that really stands out. The LED headlamps have been sharpened up and now come with sequential turn indicators, giving the car a more premium and modern appearance. Moving to the side profile, the SUV features newly designed alloy wheels, and its bold body lines give it a very muscular stance. At the rear, the tail lamps have also been refreshed with a new LED signature that adds a classy touch. The overall road presence is truly impressive and fits the Fortuner's rugged personality. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 Fortuner feels more premium than ever before. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather and are extremely comfortable. Toyota now offers a dual-tone interior theme that adds elegance to the cabin. The dashboard design has been updated with soft-touch materials and a cleaner layout. The infotainment system is now a 10.1-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also get a new digital instrument cluster with sharp graphics that enhances the overall driving experience. Other interior features include dual-zone climate control, rear AC vents, push-start button, sunroof, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. In terms of space, there's plenty of legroom and headroom in the first and second rows. The third row is decent but best suited for short trips or kids. Talking about performance, the 2025 Fortuner offers two engine options. The first one is a 2.7-liter petrol engine that produces around 164 horsepower. The second option is a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers 204 horsepower and up to 500 Nm of torque. The diesel variant, in particular, offers excellent power and is ideal for towing or off-road driving. Both engines come mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The suspension setup has been improved for better comfort and handling, and the steering feels more responsive now. The 4x4 system gives this SUV the capability to handle rough terrains with ease. In terms of safety, the Fortuner is now equipped with a range of modern features. You get 7 airbags, vehicle stability control, hill start assist, downhill assist control, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a high-definition reverse camera. The 2025 model also introduces advanced features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, which add a layer of safety and convenience, especially during long highway drives. Coming to the pricing, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner is available in multiple variants. The base petrol model starts at around 15.8 million Pakistani rupees, while the top-spec diesel Legender variant can go up to 19.2 million Pakistani rupees, depending on your location and any additional options. These prices are subject to change, but the Fortuner remains a strong contender for anyone looking for a reliable and luxurious SUV. So that was our complete review of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and let us know in the comments which feature you like the most. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.